Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to shed those extra pounds quickly and effectively, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll share 5 scientifically proven methods that actually work for fast weight loss. But remember, while these methods can help you lose weight quickly, it's essential to maintain a healthy balance and prioritize your well-being. Rapid weight loss should be approached with caution, so always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise regimen. Let's dive into these proven strategies and get you on the path to a healthier, slimmer you. 1. Intermittent fasting. One of the most popular and effective methods for quick weight loss is intermittent fasting. This eating pattern cycles between periods of eating and fasting. The idea is to reduce the window of time you consume calories, helping to lower your overall intake. There are several variations of IF, such as the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, or the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories to 600 for 2 non-consecutive days. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can help you lose weight by boosting your metabolism, reducing insulin levels, and increasing fat burning. It also encourages the body to utilize stored fat as energy during the fasting periods. However, it's crucial to eat nutrient-dense foods during your eating windows to ensure your body gets the necessary vitamins and minerals. 2. High-protein diet. Increasing your protein intake is another proven method for fast weight loss. Protein is incredibly satiating, meaning it keeps you full for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating or snacking on unhealthy foods. Additionally, the thermic effect of food, TEF, is higher for protein than for fats or carbs, meaning your body burns more calories digesting protein. Incorporating more lean proteins like chicken breast, fish, tofu, and legumes into your diet can help you maintain muscle mass while losing fat. Muscle is metabolically active, so preserving muscle tissue during weight loss can help prevent your metabolism from slowing down. Aim to include a source of protein in every meal and snack to keep hunger at bay and support your weight loss goals. 3. Low-carb diet. Cutting down on carbohydrates, especially refined carbs like white bread, pasta, and sugary snacks, can lead to rapid weight loss. A low-carb diet works by reducing insulin levels, which causes the body to burn stored fat for energy. Additionally, low-carb diets tend to eliminate empty-calorie foods that offer little nutritional value but are high in sugar and unhealthy fats. Focus on eating whole foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats while limiting your intake of starchy foods. Many people find that a low-carb diet helps reduce their appetite, leading to fewer calories consumed overall. However, it's essential to choose complex carbs like whole grains and vegetables for sustained energy and overall health. 4. Increase physical activity. While diet plays a significant role in weight loss, increasing your physical activity can help accelerate the process. Combining aerobic exercises like walking, running, or swimming with strength training can maximize fat loss while preserving muscle mass. High-intensity interval training is particularly effective for burning calories in a short amount of time. Incorporating more movement into your daily routine, such as taking the stairs, walking during breaks, or doing short bursts of exercise throughout the day, can also contribute to your weight loss efforts. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous exercise per week, combined with 2 days of strength training. 5. Drink more water. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health, and it can also aid in weight loss. Drinking water before meals can help you feel fuller, leading to reduced calorie intake. Additionally, water can temporarily boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories. Sometimes thirst can be mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. By drinking enough water throughout the day, you can avoid this common pitfall. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water per day and more if you're physically active or in a hot climate. Replacing sugary beverages with water is another effective way to cut down on empty calories. Remember that sustainable weight loss takes time, and it's crucial to develop habits that you can maintain in the long run. Rapid weight loss methods can kickstart your progress, but the key to lasting results is consistency and balance. Be patient with yourself and focus on making gradual, healthy changes that will lead to lasting success. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on living a healthier life. Good luck on your weight loss journey, and remember that every step forward is a step toward a healthier you.